guys, welcome to my class. Our topic for today is write numerical expressions. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. In case you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then, like and share so that you can also help other students. In our topic for today, we are going to learn how to use numbers and operation symbols in writing verbal phrases as numerical expression. Numerical expression is a mathematical statement involving only numbers and one or more arithmetic operation symbols such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Miss Shaima added 4 students in the class of 23 girls in grade 5. Then, she divides the girls into 3 members per group. How many groups were there in all? In the said problem, you can see that there is a red underline over the added 4 students in the class of 23 girls. So, we're going to add 4 and 23. Correspondingly, I wrote the numerical expression of the red underlined phrase added 4 students in the class of 23 girls. And that is 4 plus 23. 4 plus 23 will give us 27. Let us continue the numerical expression. There is a blue underline and divides the girl into 3 members. Appropriately, we're going to divide 27 by 3. The question is, how many groups were there in all? Subsequently, 27 divided by 3 will give us 9. Accordingly, there are 9 groups in the class of Miss Shaima. If you are going to write the numerical expression of the problem, you can see that there is 4 plus 23 enclosed with a parenthesis divided by 3. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Add the phrase 5 and 16, then divide by 7 as a numerical expression. You're not going to get the answer. You're just going to write the numerical expression. I'll draw a blue underline on the first condition. Add 5 and 16. Hence, the numerical expression of the first condition is 5 plus 16. I draw a red line on the second condition. Divide by 7. Accordingly, I added divide by 7 in the numerical expression. This numerical expression is already correct, but we need to add a parenthesis on the first condition. Therefore, the correct answer as a numerical expression is 5 plus 16 enclosed with a parenthesis divided by 7. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Write the phrase, subtract 6 from 96, then multiply by 10 as a numerical expression. You can see that I placed a blue underline on the first condition, subtract 6 from 96. On that account, the numerical expression will be 96 minus 6. Then, I place a red underline on the second condition, multiply by 10. Consequently, I added times 10 on the numerical expression. We need to enclose the first condition with a parenthesis so that the order of operation will be clear. 96 minus 6 enclosed with a parenthesis. After that, we're going to multiply it by 10. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Write the phrase, divide 54 by 6, then subtract 7 as a numerical expression. You can see that I placed a green underline on the first condition, divide 54 by 6. On that account, the numerical expression is 54 divided by 6. I place a blue underline on the second condition, that is, subtract 7. Consequently, I placed minus 7 on the numerical expression. And you can read it as 54 divided by 6 minus 7. Accordingly, we need to enclose the first condition with a parenthesis so that the order of operation will be clear. Correspondingly, the numerical expression will be 54 divided by 6 and close with a parenthesis minus 7. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. Write the phrase multiply 8 by 6, then add 2 as a numerical expression. I place a blue underline on the first condition, multiply 8 by 6. Consequently, the numerical expression is 8 times 6. Then, I place a red underline on the second condition, which is add 2. We are going to write plus 2 on the numerical expression. Then, we are going to place a parenthesis on the first condition. Therefore, 8 times 6 and close with a parenthesis plus 2 is the numerical expression. It is very easy. Just enclose the first condition with a parenthesis, then write the second condition on the numerical expression. Okay? Correspondingly, we have met our goal for today's lesson. We have learned how to use numbers and operation symbols in writing verbal phrases as numerical expression. I want you to remember that numerical expression is a mathematical statement involving numbers and one or more arithmetic operation symbols such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To wrap it up, I want you to read very well the problem so that you can get the correct numerical expression. The first condition must be done first and enclose it with a parenthesis. Then, add the second condition. Like in this example, subtract 6 from 96. Therefore, that is enclosed with a parenthesis 96 minus 6. Afterwards, write the second condition, multiply by 10. So, you're going to write times 10. Okay? It is very easy, right? Just don't forget to enclose the first condition with a parenthesis before writing the second condition, so that the order of operation will be clear as a numerical expression. Okay? To conclude our lesson for today, I want you to always remember what His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, may his soul rest in peace, wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Sheikh Zayed wrote and left this quote for us so that the youth will always remember the importance of education. The genuine concern of Sheikh Zayed for his nation will always remain, as this quote will handed down from generation to generation. And to encapsulate our lesson for today, I want you to always remember that life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I do hope you have learned a lot for today's topic and you find it easy, okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!